Okay, you guys, if you want to empty this thing out, let me turn it off so I don't hit a button by accident. All right, when you want to empty this thing out, you have to press down on the back piece. This is where the dust collector is, trash collector. You press down like that, then you press up. See how it locks? See this button right here? It comes down, and then you lift up. And then there goes all the dust. Now, I didn't get no notification saying, you know, that the dust collector was full or anything. So I don't know if this announced if it's full, but I did get the indication saying it was stuck. You do get an indication saying the battery is low or the power is off. So you do get those indications. And on the bottom of here, it tells you all the hazards, not hazards, but all the lights that flashes when something happens. So one beep, the robot vac is stuck and a wheel is hanging in the mid-air. So it says it right there. Sorry if you can't see it. Right, just for y'all to see it. There goes the inside of that. And they did give me a blade. If you saw in the review, they gave me a blade just in case I need to cut something. Goes upside down, snap it in, and then that's it. Alexa, turn on eufy. And it turns on. That's cool how it stops at the steps. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on the eufy by Anker. And this thing is okay. That's what I'm gonna say. It's okay. I give it a 3.5 stars. You know, maybe you can go to 4 stars. In order for you to clean in one area with this, or one section, you will need to put like a blocker up or something that blocks it. There is cheaper products out there that has an invisible wall, and that will be interesting to look into. I think that it's a little bit pricey for just starting and going and cleaning the corners and going in a circular motion. And that's about it. There's like nothing else. It does stop before it goes down the stairs. It senses that. Issues that I had with it was it kept getting stuck under my treadmill. So when I clean the floor, I do have to lift my treadmill up. My couch is low enough so it can hit, when it hits the front of the couch, it'll turn around and go back. And that's about it. Other than that, I think this is a little pricey. Maybe this could have been like $100. You know, they could have went down $100 for this being almost to 150, almost from 150 basically to $200 price range for this one. I think that's a little much. For me, I'm going to look at another alternative, maybe the ones that have the invisible wall. I did see another brand where you can actually, in the app, basically put what room that you want to clean. Okay, you guys, catch y'all on the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.